Which one was the other one? Lion Gate or whatever?
Lion.
You're somewhere in here.
Okay.
Okay.
One, check this crevice.
You're over here. Get like 6. Get like.
There. Go. Okay. Hold up.
Group. Got the hole. Got you. Got you. Got you. That's right. Watch hole, watch hole. Watch right. Watch the right, watch the right. Watch that up top. That's one coming.
Don't fire until 10 feet away from you.
You're right back.
You two, help me watch the rear. Make sure no zombies come up on us.
All right.
JTA, watch over here too.
We're at our location. Survivors went around the course to the left.
You should really get melee up there on them.
Survivors over here.
You want to burn through ammo. Keep eyes on him. He's so moved.
We walked some of this. Let's just wait for him to get
How
close.
many survivors do you have?
We have a lot.
Out of how many?
Hey, keep moving. Regroup with Alpha. Keep going.
Move it out. Move it out. What? Keep coming up.
What the heck? That guy's around it. Oh, he's trying to convenient.
All right, back it up. Back up. Go. Watch it. If he lunges, he's too close.
Hey, you two, buck it up here.
Come on. Faster, guys. Faster.
Go on the way! Come on! Go off some of this! Come on, Dominic! Hey!
I see you. Oh shit.
Don't let him push! Do not let him push!
Do not fall back.
Me, just shoot him! Yeah, man, he's right there. Come over here! Protect the survivors! Take the survivors around him! Alright,
Form the defensive line!
Go, guys, go!
Defensive line!
Go!
Cover, go, go, go!
Hey, how you doing?
Keep going. Defend the survivors.
Go! Survivors! Right here! Survivors on me! Survivors on me! Oh man, you were so